Hello everyone, I am Priya Thakur. I have joined Data Gyan in batch 60 for the course Data Analytics, and I have started my journey on 25th May to 29th August. It is a 3 months duration course. And I want to share, like, I have gained really a lot of knowledge about data analytics field. And if I would like to rate this course in the scale of 1 to 10, I want to give it as a 9, because it has fulfilled all the expectations which I had while joining this course. And I really want to recommend the data analytics course from Data Gyan to everybody who want to explore their career or want to transition their career into the data analytics field. Thank you.
Yes.
Hi all, my name is Vaibhav Mahajan, and I have started my journey for data analytics on Data Gyan batch 60 on 25th May 2020. And today's 29th August 2020 is the last date of the course, which is of duration 3 months. Um, as per my experience and the syllabus of the course, I would like to rate the course 9 out of 10. And definitely, I would like to recommend my colleagues or my friends to do the course who are looking for looking their career in data analytics. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Lopa. I joined Data Gyan 60th batch and I was doing for data analytics course, and I started in the last week of May, and I ended at last week of August. So it is 3 months course, and in these 3 months I learned so much things which will help me throughout my career. So this is my suggestion to everyone who want to do their career transition or want to go for something else they want. So data science is the best course to do, and Data Gyan would provide the best thing they want. And whatever I can suggest, I can rate Data Gyan 9 out of 10. Actually, at the time of joining, what I expected, I got a lot more than that. So everyone should go and see at least what is Data Gyan. So thank you so much.
Hi everyone, my name is Saurav, and I have joined DataGAN batch 60 on 24th of May, and the course ends today, that is 29th of August. And in these 3 months I have covered tools like Python, Excel, SQL, and Tableau. And from my personal experience, I would like to rate numbers from number 9 out of 10. And I'd like to suggest to my friends and colleagues, whoever want to get into analytics field, should join Data Gyan. Thank you so much.
Hi all, my name is Anita Sahu. I have joined Data Analytics course in Data Gyan batch 60. The course is started May 25th, 2022, ended with August 29th, 2020. I would like to rate Data Gyan for the Data Analytics course is 9 out of 10. And I would really recommend Data Gyan who really wants to boost their career, who really want to really want to change their confidence level to higher level. They should join Data Gyan for the data analytics course. Thank you.
So hi everyone, I'm Soumyajit. I joined Data Gyan 3 months back for data analytics course, and today is my last day. What I want to say about this course, about this 3 months, it was really satisfactory. Why I like this institute? Because its main instructor Ranjan, he like gave me every possible answer I had about my career in data analytics, about my technical things, and all the answers he will give you every possible answer, and he will give I mean. So what I liked about this institute, its main instructor Ranjan, he will give you every possible answer. Like about your technical questions, about your career questions. Every questions you have will be solved here. He has helped me in every possible way, and he will give every possible effort to the weakest student in the batch also. So I recommend all of you to join and give a try. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Nitish Manigrai. I've joined data analytics course in Data Gyan, batch 60 on May 25th, 2020 to August 29, 2020. And the tools they have covered is Microsoft SQL SQL, Tableau, Advanced Excel, and RDBMS. One thing I want to say, Ranjan sir never disappoints you in terms of course or providing study materials for self-learning. He always comes up with different ideas and with different real-time questions that will be asked in the interviews. And in terms of my experience in data analytics course in DataGen, I would like to rate 9 out of 10, and I would recommend all to join DataGen.
Hi everyone, my name is Omkar Chaudhary. I have done data analytics course from DataGyan from May 25th to August 29. I would like to rate 9 out of 10 for the course. And here the tools are covered are SQL, Excel, Tableau, and Python. And I recommend all to join for this course. And we are happy to be a part of DataGyan family. Thank you.
Hi all, my name is Abhishek Patnaik. I am from DataGyan batch 60. My journey started May last week and ending date August last week. This course duration is 3 months. I really like this course. I have rated to this course 10 out of 9. I suggested to everyone to come to this institute and please join this course. Special thanks to Professor. He's very carefully and guide all candidates. Thanks to all.
Yeah.
Hello everyone. My name is Abhinav Pradhan. I have completed data analytics course from DataGyan, Bangalore. In past 3 months, I have gone through different various tools like SQL Server database, Advanced Excel, and visualization tools like Tableau. Over here, we have exposure to live projects where we have done extraction, then ETL process, and many major other works. With this, we have also done visualization through the Tableau software, like I said. With this, I would like to suggest everybody who wants to change their domain from anything to data analytics, they can surely join DataGyan and get a thumbs up from me to the DataGyan family that they have put in so much effort to complete and give guidance to the students who are coming over there. Thank you.